one of the founders of a small company called 𝐃𝐈𝐆𝐈𝐌𝐎𝐍, who is participating in this project, supplying a platform, a digital platform. The core of the project was understanding a little better some of the issues and some of the details about the industry processes, production processes. This was the overall goal. And in order to do this and to put the management in a condition so that they can actually understand a little better what's going on in the company, we decided to provide our system, which is a platform called iChain, which is an event-based system. We are proposing cutting-edge solutions both for the cybersecurity portion and for the Internet of Things technological part. So we deployed Internet of Things devices which observe the consumption of energy from the machines, and so we can observe and understand how the energy consumption for the whole production processes go. So it was a very, very pragmatic and practical project, even though it had very high innovation components.
Lupa Safe is a cybersecurity platform that tests companies just like a cyber criminal would do. And we explain that in very easy to understand language for example, board members, but also IT partners and people who are responsible in HR or, for example, the web department. Our duty is to see if this supply chain of two companies and the environment where they work is actually secure, right? Think about the IoT devices, the software that's being developed, the API connections that are being used, but also the employees that are operating here. So our job has been to investigate continuously, to find the risks, to report them to the board members of 𝐃𝐈𝐆𝐈𝐌𝐎𝐍 and Bordoni, and to give them advice on how to mitigate the risks. Now, what was innovative in this project is we use all the findings to further improve our IoT detection, because in 𝐃𝐈𝐈𝐼 and Bordoni, they use quite a bunch of IoT devices, and also process information. During the project, we could see each moment that someone made an improvement in a system, and we would record this, and then you can say something like, hey, this organization is very often doing improvements, right? And then you can report this as a process finding.
My company is an Italian company with over 50 years of experience in manufacturing and mechanical components through the use of advanced laser technology. Thanks to Mind4Machines, we found the best and the most innovative solution that leads us to Mind4Machines software that is connected in cloud and help us to reduce consumption. This software is easy for us to use, and I think we can use it in other machines. This project is very important for us because we meet a lot of people, a lot of industry from Europe, and all of them are very important for us, for our problem. And I think is a very good goal for us.